Hey guys, another 30-minute meal, easy, fast, and incredibly delicious pork chops in garlic mushroom gravy. Oh my goodness, it is so good. Let me walk you through this and show you how to make it. Okay guys, what I've got here are 3 good-sized pork chops. I'm going to go ahead and season these up with some salt, just a few cracks, some ground black pepper that I love so much. And though we're going to add garlic later, I'm going to sneak some garlic powder in now because I just love me garlic. And you can add whatever seasoning you like and put some paprika too on, whatever. And of course, I'm just going to give these pork hobs a flip. I call them pork hobs sometimes. And season them on the other side. Next up guys, a couple of good knobs of butter, about 2 tablespoons, into a pan over medium-high heat. I'll just kind of let this melt down. Also in with some olive oil so that butter doesn't burn, about a tablespoon. Now in with our pork chops. And we'll just let these sear through and cook up, and this will take, I'd say about 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 6. Now I'm using bone-in, so they might take a little bit longer, but you can use boneless too if you like. These are smelling good already. Now our pork chops are pretty much done and smelling real good. I am just going to set these aside on a plate, and we'll just let these guys rest for a few minutes while we move on. Next up, in the same pan, in with our mushrooms. And these are about, 8 or 10 button mushrooms that I've sliced up. And probably a little bit more oil. And we'll just stir and saute these just until they're a little bit browned and cooked through. Now our mushrooms have cooked through and begun to sweat. In with a small onion that I've just ringed up. 5 cloves of garlic. After all, it is a garlic dish. And once again, we'll just stir and saute until the onions are translucent and that beautiful, wonderful smell of garlic fills the air. And guys, I just have to point out here how beautifully this pan is deglazed. Look at those wonderful flavors in there. Wow. Next up, we're going in with 2 tablespoons of flour. I'll just stir this around until it's cooked through. Then in with 1.5 cups of beef broth, and half at a time, so 3/4 cup here. And we'll just give this a stir until it becomes thicker. And look at that gravy beginning to form. Now we are going to go in with our other 3/4 cup. And just continue to stir, bring it to a boil until it thickens right up. Now we got a boil happening and that gravy has begun to thicken. We are going back in with Mr. Pork Chops. Oh. Can't forget the juice. Of course, guys, you just have to spoon some of that wonderful gravy over those chops. Oh, here we go with smell-o-vision. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm just going to reduce the heat and let this simmer away just for a couple of minutes or so. But you are going to enjoy this. Now we've simmered up off with the heat and garnish it up with some fresh parsley. Oh, absolutely yumsters. And there you have it, my friends. This is like a smothered pork chop in a mushroom and garlic gravy. Oh, I said before and I'll say it again, you're gonna love this. Okay guys, it's my favorite time in the whole wide world. Time to dig in. Yum. Into the mushroom gravy, and just look at this. Just look at this. Absolutely spectacular, smothered in that gravy. The mushrooms, oh my goodness. You can't ask for anything else. Okay, taste test. This is so good, guys. Smothered in the gravy. The mushrooms, the garlic, the pork is tender. Absolutely fantastic. You got to make this. Of course, I'm gonna have more. So good.